My first podcast without the beard. I like this so much better.
Hey guys, welcome to episode 3 of the Unengineered podcast, starring Advait and Atik. And today we're going to be talking about, in this specified order जो हमने अभी अभी decide किया है, we're going to talk about Say Namaste India, which is an Indian app for video conferencing. Then we have the upcoming Android 11, which is out in beta mode for some users. Then we're going to talk about a certain picture that is causing some Android phones to not work. And it's a picture, literally, a picture causes that. And then the fourth and last and most speculated and requested topic, एक बंदे ने request किया, but whatever. It's PS5 and the Xbox. So yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun in this episode. Please like, share, and whatever. You guys are really supporting it, at least on Instagram.
And we are now on Spotify, and we are working on getting it on Google Podcast and everything.
So you can literally listen to the podcast while you do anything. I don't care what you're doing.
Just listen to the podcast. We need views.
Care what you're doing.
Sorry, listens.
Plays. We need downloads. That's the term we use in podcasts. Downloads. I don't know
downloads.
I don't know why they call it download. Apparently, there's a culture of downloading podcasts, which I actually did in the middle. कि मैं download करके रख देता था.
Then you have to listen, no?
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know.
Download.
Okay, anyway.
Subscribe.
Let's
continue.
Let's move on to the first topic, which is
Say Namaste.
Say Namaste.
India.
Okay, go ahead.
Yep. So, Say Namaste is an app. So, like, ever since the work from home stuff has started, people have been relying on Google Meet and Zoom. We are actually conducting it. We're on Meet right now.
Exactly.
Meet, right? And so startups have been encouraged to make apps, program apps. Indian startups have been encouraged to program Indian Zoom video conferencing apps, and this is one of them. It's called Say Namaste, and right now it just got released for Google Play, and I think iPhone users also. You can just check it out. I have it in my backup phone right here, and it looks pretty decent actually. The thing is, it's very straightforward.
Achha, it's just like Zoom, aisa.
It's much more simplified than Zoom. Of course, it's a very new app. It's under development. We tried to use it right now, but there were some issues. Obviously, right now you can just go onto the web, search for Say Namaste, and you can create. And instantly, there's no login, there's no account making. You just make a meeting and you join, enter, या फिर whatever. Like you can make a meeting and invite other people, or you can just enter a code and join a meeting. It's very simple. Even the app is very simple. See, there's 2 buttons: create new meeting and join existing meeting. That's all.
Oh, it's just that. There is no intro screen, nothing.
For now, that's it.
That's
why
nice,
the developers called Inscripts.
Oh, acha. And this is nice because not everyone can use a complex app, वैसे तो, which is amazing. I mean, simplicity is more complex than.
Sachi. And I think video sharing, file sharing, I think अभी recently उन लोगों ने incorporate किया. I think the meeting that we tried to do, it had
file sharing and screen sharing.
Exactly. So that just rolled out onto the website. So yeah, that's what we.
And it's free right now. Is it free?
Yeah. There's no.
So how are they earning any money?
They're not. I mean, come on. It's a startup. It's a very new app, and the fact that it got featured in Google ka feed, it's a big deal.
But
so they must have investors now backing this.
Yeah, I know they have investors, but companies like Zoom have that premium ये model. क्या बोलते हैं? You can buy the premium model to have unlimited meetings, but it's
right.
Google Meet and the Say Namaste and Google Duo. I don't know how they earn money. Like, I have no clue.
Me neither. I don't see ads.
Exactly.
There's no prompts
to buy anything.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll have to. Maybe that'll be another entire. Maybe we should talk about that in the next episode.
How these apps make money, because video conferencing takes a lot of resources to build.
Yeah, it does. अब ये अलग बात है कि you know what I realized yesterday? Video conferencing apps, they actually send your data in Bro, yesterday I was editing a Zoom call and it was in 1440p.
What?
It was 2560 by 1440. It was QHD resolution, but the bitrate was so low that the 1.5 घंटे का file was barely 500 MB. So that's what these
Oh.
video conference calls are doing. So
So,
the resolution is
exactly.
a lot of pixels. I was surprised. I was like, what the hell is going on? Because the resolution was QHD, okay, and I did not expect that. But the thing is, that's how these video conferencing apps manage to send data. They reduce the quality, crushed the quality. Absolutely, absolutely crushed.
Yeah, because
So the size is. Like
But-
QHD resolution 1.5 घंटे का barely 500 MB. What do you expect?
yeah, bitrate. Yesterday my friend was exporting a video and tabhi we were just trying different things and I realized bitrate affects the size way more than resolution.
Most. Yeah. Way more than 100%.
So yeah, they have done the math there, I guess, but still I'm just waiting. How will because at some point they will have to. So I don't know.
They will have to do
Okay.
what?
They'll have to earn money na somehow. And video conferencing mein, now that we are
It's quite
used to
expensive.
everything being free video conferencing mein, like Google Meet hai which is free and then Zoom and stuff, so they'll have to figure something out. It's on them. They might have theoretically had a concept. I just don't want ads how do you feel about ads in video conferencing? Like I say, you're talking and then suddenly 5 second ka ek ad aaya.
That will make someone instantly uninstall the app.
Yeah,
It's-
I don't
I
like
think
that.
that's
And
why-
it will be an intrusive ad, right? तेरा बात
Very
करने के ये रुक जा.
Exactly.
What about
I mean,
small ads? Those apps में नीचे pop up होता. Not pop up ऐसा
हाँ.
रहते हैं बस.
Maybe on the home screen, on top of the home screen, maybe there's an ad.
But-
Where you make meetings, right?
Yeah.
Meetings.
Oh हाँ. Okay हाँ. While making the meetings, yeah, that could be a thing. Because if you're on a call and then there is that banner ऐसा ऊपर, that is still intrusive because that is
Very
interrupting between the call, right?
What can be an alternate income could be, tying up with third-party apps which enhance your video conferencing experience. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a third-party app that
Oh अच्छा, you can
Enables
order
you
food
to-
together या ऐसा कुछ तो.
Advait is the next business.
I should stop
Exactly,
talking
so
इधर
that's a
भाई
great-
तो.
That's a great example. That's a great example.
Or you can have this tie up with Netflix, Hotstar and stuff,
मैं
and
वही
then
बोलने वाला था, हाँ,
Netflix
वही
party
बोलने
जैसा, and then just a
Exactly.
even better version. Although
Exactly.
Netflix app or Netflix party free है, and
Is
it
it
is
good?
done pretty well. Yeah, it is done pretty well. Although उसमें बस chatting वाला है, so that is not that resource intensive,
Oh.
but there is a version of it. It's called Vemos or something, and it has video conferencing in it. So they have done some open source shit and sockets use करके कि they don't. I think they just need servers for the link building and stuff.
Right,
But the
right.
video call वाला app happens as a client to client and stuff ऐसा
Some-
peer to peer वैसे.
Nice.
So that is
That's
pretty
great.
amazing.
That is some stuff. That is some ways that Google Meet and Google Duo can, maybe earn some money.
Although Skype has been free all this time, right? Skype never made a pay. Skype missed a lot of ऐसा market अभी like
Yeah,
काफी ज़्यादा.
Skype was ahead of its time.
It was so ahead of its time.
It was.
And I guess
Skype was more of a, at least in my childhood, it was more of a connecting with relatives thing.
it is still connecting with the relatives thing, but it's just that it has become so complex now. That is up
it
with
is very
every
complex.
Microsoft app ऐसा Office से लेके वगैरह तक they have just made it complex फालतू का.
Seriously, it's so complex.
And so I'd
And,
rather prefer the Google Suite उसके ऊपर. Simple, it does the
Exactly.
work and it gets synced everywhere.
Exactly, I haven't used Skype in 10 years.
Exactly.
I just used it when I was small, and we didn't have any other alternative. That's why I said it
हाँ,
was ahead of its time.
it was ahead of its time काफी ज़्यादा.
Way too ahead of its time. And then the market was captured by Zoom.
And अभी
Zoom-
Google Meet.
Google Meet, yeah. Zoom तो भाई क्या ही hit होम रन मार दिया पूरा.
हाँ
zoom,
exactly.
zoom.
I have
भारी वाला होम रन.
because
It's crazy.
it is another one of those ये कि there are better alternatives but अब वो इतने लोगों को zoom पता चल गया है ना and no one is willing to
It's
switch
become-
ऐसा.
It's become a verb
The-
now almost.
Yeah, exactly.
People are like, I'll zoom you, I'll zoom call you, it's
हाँ.
like that. Nobody says, I'll Google meet. Ah, too much. इतना लंबा नाम कौन बोले? I'll zoom call you. It's pretty cool. Let's move on to the next topic. What's the next topic?
Okay, so the next topic is Android 11. This is a pretty big
Oh.
topic actually, and it's exciting because Android updates are interesting for me because before Android looked bad, but now with every version it's looking so much better.
So much.
And this time they have had
Honestly.
some. Okay, so Android is a pretty mature operating system अभी के लिए अभी बन गया है. So there won't be ऐसा drastic UI changes और ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला in the
I'm not
at least
expecting
I
that.
don't see that coming in the next 3 or 4 years. There will be minor changes, but this time they have had some amazing changes. Like they hit the right buttons अभी मेरे तो at least. And so किधर गया? Okay. So let's start with Android 11, I guess. So let's go over the list of new features. So the first one is they changed the notification shade, and they do it with every update, and I love the changes they make. So what they did
Yeah.
this time is instead of giving all the notification priority wise, they group them as conversations, alerts, and silent notifications. And the major change has been in the conversations wala ye. So now you can have people over there and then you can select them and have a priority wala option. So
Oh.
their
Right.
so
उनका chats
their
का priority
message
हो जाएगा.
breaks through the do not disturb wala ye.
Nah.
And in that icon thingy where you get to see कि कौन से notifications है without opening the notifications.
हाँ, right.
Instead of the app का icon, you see their display picture.
Oh.
So that's new. And then chat apps can also have chat bubbles. Any chat app can have it.
I heard of that one.
Yeah, they had this in Android 10. I don't know what happened to it, but this is an amazing feature. When Facebook implemented that, it was so nice because now you could do your normal stuff while
Yeah,
texting.
that
You
was-
don't have to switch between apps. And
that was
Android
some
still
crazy
sucks at
stuff.
switch between apps. I don't know why, but
हाँ.
there is still as a काफी inconvenience from going to one app to another so continuously because think of it like you're booking some tickets and you have to go back and forth क्या करूँ इधर
Yeah.
क्या करूँ and you have to continuously move. Chat bubbles solve them instantly because अभी
That's right.
there is a floating window always there for you to text your
I
friends and
remember
stuff.
when Facebook Messenger did this for the first time, I was mind blown.
हाँ exactly. It is
was
such an obvious thing
very,
once you
very-
have it.
Exactly, it's crazy. It's so good. The only I think Facebook messed it up because Messenger took a lot of space and it was slow. It was not the best. It was not the
Uh-huh.
best implemented. Yeah, dude. I remember I had a phone and it was a decent phone. Okay, at the time, and it was it तो Facebook का इतना बड़ा app था. Okay, and Facebook.
Oh हाँ
का
Facebook
एक-
app sucked. Facebook
exactly.
app sucked.
And it had such a huge इतना कैश भर देता था यार, इतना कैश मेमोरी लेता था वो. And then ऊपर से मेरे को मैसेंजर ऐप डाउनलोड करना पड़ता था just to chat with people. That was the most annoying.
And they made it
Most
so that
annoying
you can't chat without the Messenger app.
Exactly.
Facebook's
That was the
that
most
is so
annoying
dumb.
part about Facebook. Okay, Facebook,
I know.
you suck. I'm sorry. You suck. No wonder Instagram voted. You suck. So yes,
Oh,
now we're gonna
okay.
get chat.
What Instagram? And then okay, so to get into that conversations ka list, developers will have to update it. But come on, as long as you don't have a pixel,
Bro, chat
you're gonna
hits
get that
could-
update so
मेरे
late.
दिमाग में 10 सिनेरियो आ रहे हैं which chat hits could benefit me so much.
Exactly, it's gonna
Please
why
give
not?
me that.
And you can have multiple chat hits like WhatsApp का
I remember.
WhatsApp का एक person का एक and then
I used to
Instagram
play
का एक
like
person
that,
का हाँ वही. And
That's cool.
the
So
next
cool.
change they did it to notification wala is they changed the media controls. So I have mixed feelings about this. So what they did is instead when you pull down the notifications shade पहली बार and you see those quick settings वाले 6 I think आते हैं मेरे phone में 6 आते हैं basic 6 and then you pull down again and you get the entire quick
Right,
settings
right.
वाले.
हाँ, बराबर.
So instead of doing those 6 in a row, they distributed them in 2 rows. So ऐसा 3 and either there are media controls. So the media controls have shifted ऊपर अभी. And I don't know how I
Nice.
feel about that because phone size बढ़ गया है. So you'll have to
That
reach
I
even
feel-
more upper to play and pause the song.
Is that, I remember that is an old Samsung feature, I think. Was it there in
I don't know.
Samsung phones?
I don't know. I bought ये काफी late.
No, पुराने वाले. I'm not sure.
हाँ पुराने वाले में होगा शायद भी. I don't know. And now when you pull it out the second time, you get a bigger player, which is it looks like an exact copy of the iOS wala, which is fine. It looks nice. And now, so my phone. So I didn't know I needed this feature until it was given to me. And when I bought this phone,
That
it had.
is the best kind of feature that you can give your
I
person.
know. हाँ
Best
exactly.
kind of feature.
And so it had this ये म्यूजिक प्लेयर के नीचे it always gave this drop down Samsung Smart Things का कि you can switch the audio to anything you want, कुछ सब connected होते हुए. And I'm like कौन use करेगा? Why? I mean if I have earphones connected मैं क्यों use करेगा?
बराबर.
But it is a game changer because I have
It's a
multiple
game-
Bluetooth devices connected
Yeah,
now, and
yeah.
if I want the song from there and call from here, I can do that now.
What, really?
My phone
Okay,
can do
that's-
that.
Holy shit.
And with the
That's
new
great.
Android 10 update, I think my phone has Bluetooth 5, I guess. So उसके वजह से
हाँ.
possible है.
Yeah.
It can
Most
play
probably.
the same song though media devices से.
Yeah, that's right.
So that is amazing. And then so I can basically watch movies with someone at the same time, and हम दोनों की earphones connected होंगे मेरे phone से.
Right.
So
I think that
airplane
is also
में-
in my phone also. I haven't
हाँ
tried
तो
it, but
एयरप्लेन
mostly
वगैरह
it's
में
there.
एयरप्लेन वगैरह
So
में है
cool.
वो. हाँ so basically Google added that, so I don't know about this two outputs at the same time, but Google added that feature natively अभी कि you can switch between output devices for the song, so which is very nice, and it is an amazing feature to have. Like
Very cool. Very
once
cool.
you get it in your hand, you will know how when you will use it.
Yeah, that's right.
And the next major thing they changed is the power menu. Now I said this for so long. The power button is not being used to its full potential, ऐसा, because
Right.
that is a
Yeah.
button. It's a button and it can be done like
There's
it's a quick access
essentially
to something
what he's trying
that
to
could be
say is
very
there's
important.
Exactly. Advait wants to say कि एक तुम वैसे भी कम बटन डालते हो एंड्रॉइड पे, ठीक है? अगर एक ही बटन डालना है तो उसका कुछ मल्टीपल यूजेस डालो ना यार, एक्सेप्ट अपार्ट
हाँ, exactly.
That's what he means to say.
And when you long press that power button, you just get a reboot, shutdown, lockdown,
Yeah.
and that all that stuff.
That's
and
right.
the screen is entirely blank. And I'm like, this is free real estate, Abhi. Is that use it?
That's right.
And so they
That's right.
changed it entirely, and I love it. So there is nothing I hate about it, Vaisa.
That's
So iOS did this, Abhi, कि what they did is if you have Apple Pay and if you keep pressing the lock button, you have those cards coming out and then NFC activate हो जाता है वगैरह. And I'm like, that is so smart, do it. And now they did it. So abhi when you long press the power button, you get all the wallet के cards वाला option. You get the lock, you get the power of reboot and lockdown वाला feature.
समझा.
And
Along
and
with
they
that-
added this Google Home का. And so I use Google Home in my room to
Right.
turn off lights stuff. And I have to go
Right.
to the app every time I have to use it. So it's like, I mean, it can be done easily, but I can access it through the lock screen. And buttons are something that you need instantly. You don't want to go through the app and stuff.
That's right.
And so now you can just long press the power button and you get all those buttons with it, which is a game changer.
That's
I
cool.
love it.
That's cool.
That is so, and it all looks so good. I am a sucker for good design, and all that looks so nice.
Yeah, that
in
is one of the best things about iOS. That
It
is
looks nice.
It looks very, very nice. iOS
हाँ.
looks great. I cannot argue with that.
Although
That is
Android
one
is
of the reasons
getting,
why people like it so much.
yeah,
It's
exactly,
very,
and
very simple, intuitive.
yeah, exactly. There aren't a lot of features, but all of them work together ऐसा एकदम properly.
So nicely.
But Android is getting there, I must say. मतलब ऐसा मेरे को Android 11 काफी ज़्यादा पसंद आया. Android 10 was a nice upgrade. I mean, I really wanted it.
It was a
And Android
proper-
even 11 is an even better upgrade. I can't wait for it to get it, but
It's
I have a
it
Samsung
sounds
phone,
good.
so I'm gonna get it pretty late. You're gonna get it pretty quick, you know, OnePlus के वजह से. So you're gonna have all that options.
Yeah, looks
And-
hopefully.
So, so the power menu का वो जो other options है ना, wallet and ये, it is powered by Google Home. So basically,
हाँ, बराबर.
so the OEMs like Samsung and OnePlus can change that to whatever they want. So Samsung will have Samsung Pay now and Samsung Home Smart Things वाला ये. So which is nice because I use Samsung Pay a lot. So
Mhm.
let's hope I get Android 11 jaldi.
That's
Please
really
Samsung.
nice.
But then I got Android 10 like a couple of months back, so it's not till next year I'm getting Android 11. So that sucks. I might whatever. And the next, and they changed a lot of home screen stuff also. So now you have that dock, right? Pehle niche. So you can have a feature where they give you suggested apps that you might use. I don't know how many people use this because dock is something that you want to be it to be
Yeah,
constant aisa.
exactly.
Because I have my phone app with it,
Same.
but I don't know. Let's see. Let's give them a
It
ye
does
try.
some-
And you can turn it
yeah.
off if you want. aisa to.
Exactly. It does sound actually not bad.
But
Let's see how
you'll have to
it's-
wait for like good 5 or 6 days for that AI to know okay what you like there, what you don't like there. So
That's right.
I don't know if people are willing to take that AI.
But then
Yes.
again, our usage patterns are already recorded by Android 10.
I don't know if they'll use that. That is the thing because dock based things have always been constant, right? To know a
Right.
usage
On the
pattern,
हाँ.
you'll have to first put as a trial apps there and then test it out कि what is working as a.
समझा.
Although they have a lot of data, so they might use it in some other way, but it is not as a instantly nahi aayega.
Right.
That is what I. And they have some new multitasking features where you can take screenshots and highlight the text directly to the multitasking screen.
I
Although
would appreciate that. I would really appreciate that.
I don't know if I will.
I do that a
So
lot. I
Android
take a lot of screenshots.
Android Pie has had this feature where you can just go to multitasking screen and जो भी text होगा ना app पे it will get recognized ऐसा, and so you can just click over it and yeah, so they brought that feature back. Android 10 में I think they removed it or something. And then I don't like the multitasking screen on Android for some reason. I like the Android Pie वाला pill के साथ, but now it is just glitchy and it seems like it is a ghetto fix for the buttons.
Tape लगा दिया.
हाँ नहीं so
Tape लगा दिया.
instead of just putting the I don't know how it's actually coded, but what I feel like when you do that action they just fire the function which was there for the recent button वैसे or something like that.
That is
I don't know that, so that it shouldn't be that way, right? Gestures are a complete new thing, so you'll have because when you're doing the gesture you also want that animation to go with your finger, right? वैसे
Right.
तो
हाँ.
and which is not happening I guess इधर. And
अच्छा.
so there are some basic animations and stuff because people don't realize this, and animations are very important with something you
Very.
interact with every day.
That's right. Very true.
And having intuitive animations can just make your experience so much better. And I love how iOS does it. The gestures wala part. iOS has great gestures. I mean, see, you're already copying a lot of stuff. Might as well take the entire gesture system. And you have implemented a lot of it. And I love the back wala feature abhi idhar se जो आता है ना Android 10 में. I use gestures. वो
Oh yeah.
or the back gesture. Although it
Yeah.
collides with the hamburger menu, so although they are trying to fix it and stuff, it is all an ongoing process. There is it is never complete. And so the new gesture, there are a bit of changes, but I don't like the gesture system of Android much. I mean, it is nice, it works and all, but they have to work a lot on those animations and stuff to make it smooth ekdam zyada. And it's not smooth, it takes a good couple of seconds to get into place. सब हिलता रहता है पूरा time वगैरह ऐसा. They'll get there.
Yeah, they will most probably.
And they added a new screenshot interface. I love this too. So so what they did is they copied it from iOS again. So you used to take a screenshot and then वो notification वाले इसमें जाता था. And so all the manufacturers did their own thing ऐसा scrolling screenshot के लिए वगैरह ऐसे. अभी it doesn't go to notifications anymore. You just click a screenshot तो वो screen का ऐसा बड़ा वाला part ऐसे corner में छोटा होके आ जाता है. And so the screen, like the picture उधर छोटे में दिख जाता है. And
That
so I
happens
think
in my phone right now.
yeah, exactly. So वो OnePlus had to do it their own way, Samsung
Okay.
did it their own way ऐसा. Because everyone knew कि वो बेकार. But you still get the notification ऊपर. And
yes,
I
I
don't
do
know
that.
why screenshot notification इसमें ज़रूरत है. You click a
That's
screenshot,
right.
you're done.
That's
Just give the menu ऐसा for some seconds because notifications are persistent, right? They stay there पूरा time. So you can
Right.
have something that disappears in 4 or 5 seconds or
Yeah.
जो भी 10 seconds का delay दिया है वो. So the new one implements it that way, which is very nice. So I like it. I mean, they're stealing features from iOS, but whatever.
But
Just doing it
great
better.
minds, Great minds team.
I think exactly. And there were a lot of small changes behind the year, and one of them was location permissions. So Google has been in fire as for Android being
Yep.
giving a lot of data. So what they did is
for unnecessary data.
yeah. So abhi location mein you'll get three options. One is only while using the app, one time, and then deny. So the app
always है ही नहीं.
technically can't क्या बोलते हैं
Use it
request the feature in background. Although if an app wants to request the feature background में they'll have to send you to settings and उधर से ऐसा always वाला option आता है.
Right.
So that option is still there. It is just that they have increased the friction to avoid a lot of
That's good.
problems.
That's nice. That's nice. Because right now what we get is always only using the app and deny.
हाँ exactly.
Always का option उन्होंने हटा ही दिया from us.
Yeah हाँ. Although it is there in the setting.
हाँ, you have to थोड़ा सा मेहनत
I
करो.
bought this. So I hate giving apps permission, especially Instagram, Facebook, and
Same.
I don't use Facebook, but Instagram uses Facebook features. So I have this app, like I had to buy it. So what it did is,
Give minimal permissions.
no. So you can give them permission always wala. Because there was no once wala permission पहले ना.
बराबर.
While using the app कोई permission नहीं था.
नहीं था.
So what the app did is you give them the permission, and then when you press the home button or go home, the app will go into the settings and remove all those permissions as well.
Nice.
That
that's
is,
nice.
and so you have to give the permission every time the app wants to use it, which is fine for me. It's just that the removal wala process is automated, which is amazing.
That's nice.
So
That's cool.
that is amazing.
Even I have
Uh,
for the past 1 year I've been very conscious of what permissions I give to which apps.
Yeah, exactly, because there have been so many leaks abhi to, so privacy is a problem. But
I don't
We do.
read on those articles. I don't know. It's
I do. It's scary how much data is being collected and stuff.
That's true. I know that is true. But
Huh. And there are some minor updates to ShareSheet. You can pin your apps. I hate the Android ka ShareSheet. Why does it take so long? When you click share and that thing popping up and it populating, it takes so long. At least on my phone, I don't know. And I think
Share
सारे
as in
Android phones
share
का
what?
problem. So see how you click photos and then when you have to share it, you click the share button and it takes a couple of seconds to the photo छोटा होता है and then the
Yeah.
share sheet to come and populate.
अच्छा, in Google Photos.
In any app, the share
In
sheet
any
is
app?
common in any app. Yeah.
समझा मेरे को. अच्छा,
वो वाला
in
like
general share
default
sheet.
Android
समझा
वाला.
मेरे को.
हाँ.
got it.
So that is still slow. It is faster than before,
is.
but you have to pin apps. You can pin apps now, so that is nice because पहले you just
Exactly. Oh, dude, I just related to this so hard because a lot of times I don't get the app that I want to share it to. Okay. and I
हाँ
have to
exactly. You have to
select- I have
scroll
copy
through it ऐसा.
Yeah, exactly.
हाँ.
It's annoying. Like it's weird. I thought like I'll be like, okay, I've done this. I shared this exact image from this exact app to this other app before, so it should be नीचे होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
But it's not there. It's annoying.
It is
Wow,
predictive,
that's-
so it will learn over time. But blah, whatever. If it's not, then yeah.
That's nice.
And finally, so this is an under the hood update. You won't see this as a kahi pe bhi, but Google can update now the system level components without updating the entire UI एकदम से. So
Okay.
that is nice. So you won't have to download the entire update, reboot the phone वगैरह ऐसे. They'll just update it under the hood, and
That's nice.
that update won't have to go through Samsung, OnePlus, and other manufacturers. So
Got
it
it,
is an
got it.
instant update through Google.
That's nice.
So yeah, so that is Android 11. So we'll have this Verge video link down below where they'll show you all these features, and it's pretty amazing. The video is really good quality.
There's also a video
And-
by B-Bomb. Do you know B-Bomb?
Yeah, I know people, of course. हाँ.
उनका वीडियो मैं देखते रह गया यार Android 11 का. Watch it after.
Oh, they compared Android 11 iOS का. उधर से I got to know a lot of comparisons कि how iOS works वगैरह से.
B-Bomb is my favorite Indian YouTuber.
हाँ,
Like,
yeah, I know, I love them.
He has no competition. They have absolutely no
competition, and they do a lot of nice stuff like animations वगैरह के साथ and the design
Great
work.
stuff.
They have a good production.
Great stuff.
And
Yeah,
हाँ,
I
so the video they did, what happened is the guy Rupesh,
short.
I think. No, it was short, and then what he did, so he uses iOS basically. So the video
Yeah,
was like,
he's an iOS user.
so the video was
Uh-huh.
like a Android 11 update through a perspective of an iOS user.
iOS user,
which
yeah.
was pretty nice. I loved the video.
Decent idea.
Oof. Chalo, we'll move on to the
So
next
talking
topic.
about Android updates, I hope that
Android
in
seriously
Android
needs to
11,
fix this. Okay, so the third topic
Nice.
for today is Android phones bricking due to a wallpaper. Now, this is a
that can only happen in Android, guys.
I don't know, it can happen with iOS, but they have a lot of QC checks. Okay, so all this happened because of one pixel in that photo.
1 pixel. Really?
1 pixel, yeah. So there was this photographer
shit.
who clicked a picture on his Nikon camera and then edited it through Lightroom. And so
Yeah,
when
I read this article.
yeah. So while exporting the picture, Lightroom gives you multiple options and there are color schemes as well.
Classic.
Yeah, so he chose Pro Photo RGB instead of sRGB, and Android phones have sRGB as their standard format, and I don't think they support the Pro Photo RGB. And so this photo, so the way Android deals with wallpaper is there is an engine which is responsible for putting the wallpaper on your screen, and so specifically that was not updated to support the Pro Photo RGB or a standard.
Pro Photo.
It is just sRGB. And so what happened is, okay, so this is gonna get a little bit complex, though thoda sa
Technical.
stay with us.
Try and stay with this.
So when
PS5
you
box coming up.
when you set a wallpaper or view a wallpaper, the phone has to decide the individual luminance of each pixel, which is calculated based on the RGB value उसके ऊपर का.
Value.
And so basically the sRGB standard has the value from 0 to 255, but the Pro Photo RGB has extra information in it. So when the phone was trying to calculate it for the wallpaper, the value was coming out to be 256, and it can only have from 0 to 255. So there is a process called image processor helper. It continuously crashed because 256 it can't use that value. And so wallpaper is something that you view while your phone starts. It is something which is always there.
Right.
So
It's
it
always
just
there.
caused the phone to crash again and again and boot loop and the phones couldn't even start. So people had to go into safe mode and just wipe their entire phones. Some smart people figured out that if you delete the wallpaper from system wala ye and set a new wallpaper or change it to default wallpaper, it could be fixed. But we would not recommend you use that photo as your wallpaper. What you can do is click a screenshot, because Google Photos can do the conversion from
Yeah.
photo RGB to sRGB. So you can just click a screenshot
Yeah.
of that and set it.
The photo
But
is
it
actually
pretty smart. So
Photo what?
yeah,
Photo
and
what?
all this could have been fixed by 3 lines of code, 3 extra lines of code. So when I was viewing the file which was crashing again and again, I figured out having 3 lines of code. The first is check if it is more than 255. If it is more than 255, set the value as 255. So the only problem will be कि ऐसा light white and then एकदम complete white will look same, but at least
whatever.
your phone will work.
Yeah, exactly. Very minute difference.
Very minute difference, but
Color
your phone
perception.
will work. And this only happened on devices running Android 10 or lesser. The devices running Android 11. So in 11 they implemented a feature where if it doesn't recognize some format, it will convert it to sRGB, which is the smarter way of doing what I said, 3 lines of code. So Android 11 phones were safe, but as you all know, Android 11 किसी के पास नहीं है because it's in beta and only Pixel users have it. Most of them, or some of them, sorry, who are updated.
Right.
So yeah,
Right.
but iPhones didn't have this problem at all. The guy who posted the picture on Flickr had 10,000 followers, and
Yeah.
so he had an interview with BBC, and he said that I didn't know this problem was caused because I use an iPhone. ऐसा, and that was his statement. And everyone's like, okay.
Ouch.
And so he also said that he wished he had gone viral for something good, but this is fine too. ऐसा, all PR is good PR वगैरह. And it's nice. Although I'm imagining the amount of problem that the people who set the wallpaper, because it's a really nice picture. Let me tell you,
It's
it's
a
a
really
scenic
nice
picture.
it's from the top of a hill or something.
Ha, exactly.
And he like waited for days on end to like click that picture at a certain
yeah,
time.
I didn't know
Yeah,
that.
I read the
He
article.
went there with his wife or something like that.
Yeah, he
And-
went there with his wife.
But enough about him. About the guy who set it as a wallpaper for the first time. It sucks because now you can't turn on your phone. You don't know what's the problem. There are no Google answers to it. And you just have to reset your entire phone. And resetting your phone is a big problem now that we have our entire data on it, Asa. Like gigs and gigs
That's
of
right.
data. And just setting it up again, downloading all the apps, setting them up. Asa. It is a big task. At least for me. I remember I used to have ROMs on my phone, trying different ROMs से पहले.
Oh my god. You
And it was a
flashed
process to just set up after every new ROM. Asa.
Oh my god. I had tinkered in that for a while बीच में, but I was like नहीं यार मेरे को risk नहीं लेना है.
Oh, after a
ये
point, I
photo
just
कुछ
figured
हो
out a
गया.
smarter way to do it. Don't keep anything on your phone. Sub cloud
Oh,
पे
wow.
रखो.
That's right.
That's
हाँ,
an
exactly.
easy way to do it.
Yeah.
And I had fast
think
internet
today-
everywhere I went, so it wasn't a problem.
That's nice. That's convenient.
So yeah, don't set that as a wallpaper. Anyway.
And don't use Lightroom.
Oh. Don't use that photo
Ex-
format. I mean,
Export it sRGB, dum-dums.
yeah, exactly.
Oh my god.
Chalo, anyway.
Cool. Let's
The
go
last
on
topic
to,
for today is PS5 and
the
Xbox.
Headliner. Let's move on to the
Yeah.
headlining topic. The PlayStation 5 just got revealed, guys. And,
It looks
I was
so
like,
nice. I love it.
It looks nice. It looks nice. People who are saying it looks like a router, everything looks like something else.
Yeah,
In this
exactly.
day and age. Take it. Shut up. Okay, shut up.
No, it's not
Sure.
funny.
It's not funny. Yeah, it looks very, very nice. Like it's better than the renders. Okay, and I cannot believe that none of the renders were accurate. Were any of the renders accurate? No.
Oh no, so what happened is a lot
No.
of leaks were like coming from the developers, and developers they get a very different design and stuff. So it was a really ugly as a triangular shaped design.
हाँ.
वैसा
Really, I
ये-
saw one. I saw I saw a square, but a rounded square, like not standing, sleeping, rounded square, sleeping with curved edges, white, full white. That's all. Yeah.
Ah.
वो नहीं देखा
Oh.
I never saw anything like that.
Although the design is ऐसा polarizing
Okay.
design, either you love it or you hate it वैसा.
Yeah, it's like that.
Although I love the
first
Xbox
thing-
design too. It is ऐसा cuboidal.
Yeah,
it
I
is simple.
I like how the Xbox looks also.
Yeah.
I really like how it looks. It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Did you see the launch इसका PS5 का?
Yeah, I saw quite a part of it. I was
I
very
hated
excited
the
when they
launch.
announced.
I love launch events,
I-
but the lack of humans, and it was just
Yeah.
game trailers for 1 hour. And I know
Yeah.
it's a console, but give me the console, then show me what it can do. And you know, there was this PS का animation coming बीच में, and they were just teasing the console पूरा time
Yeah,
ऐसा.
the
And I'm like,
whole-
अब आएगा,
the
and it is
whole-
just Sony written or वो triangle square thingy
The
written, and
starting
I'm-
animation was beautiful actually. The
हाँ.
pulsing thing, it looked so good.
It looked nice, but it's like अभी आएगा, and they couldn't stop teasing it. And I saw a couple of tweets ऐसा कि Sony, we know you know how the PS5 looks and we don't. Just stop teasing it up.
Oh man, dude, honestly, it looks really nice. I was excited. I lost it when they announced Hitman 3.
Oh.
Hitman is one of my favorite game franchises ever. I've played
Oh, I didn't
every
know that.
game except for the first one because the first one is very low, like it's not playable by today's
That's okay.
standards. Yeah, it looks bad and the controls are very finicky. It's a very slow moving game. So I just watched videos and I caught up with the story. But the story
Mhm.
of again we talked about game stories in games.
Stories,
the story
yeah.
of Hitman.
Watch that
The story of
podcast too.
Hitman is it's so amazing. The whole story is so good. It's one of the best games ever. And then they announced Horizon 2. Now Horizon Zero Dawn. The Horizon ka first part have you seen?
Oh, I am not much into games, so you're just gonna have to pull me through this
okay,
one.
Fine. No problem. Sorry. So Horizon Zero Dawn was one of the best games of 2018.
Hmm.
I don't care. It was one of the best games. So I got into gameplay when Carrie started streaming, right? So Carrie started playing Horizon Zero Dawn 2 years back, and then he left it in between. and I was so
Oh.
disappointed. He literally left it in. I was so disappointed because that
Why
game
would
was
do that?
amazing. It's got amazing graphics, superb gameplay, weapons. It's essentially it's essentially a futuristic look, but you are playing a character that uses bows and arrows.
Oh,
right?
acha.
So as
Like
you
Hawkeye
progress,
kind of
as you
shit.
progress, exactly Hawkeye kind
Ha,
of
ha,
shit. As you progress through the game, your bow, your bow upgrades, your
Futuristic
arrows
bow and
upgrades.
stuff.
You
Oh.
can
That seems fun.
control animals. So apparently the animals are also like robot animals. So you can
Okay.
control those robot animals. You fight a tank. You fight a robot tank. It's a great game. And Carrie left it in the middle, so I went over to Rad Brad's channel. That's where I discovered the Rad Brad. Okay, he's a great gameplay YouTuber. He uploads just gameplay, and he has
Acha.
10 to 12 million subscribers just because because of his.
I've heard his
personality.
name actually. I've watched a
Yeah,
couple of
dude,
his
he's a
videos.
great person to like watch. He just imagine playing games all day and getting paid for it. Oh man, beautiful. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. So yeah, so Horizon 1 is an amazing game. Okay, and they announced Horizon 2, and again the story is continuing in the second part, so I'm really excited for it.
Oh,
Really
it's a
excited for it.
continuous story, acha.
Yeah, the
Oh,
story.
that is
the
nice.
highlight of the entire game is again the story. Story is
Yeah, I
too
love
good.
those games, and I really
It's
wanna
a
get back
great
into
story.
gaming, acha. It's been a
You
while.
really should. It's a good time to do that.
Yeah.
Let's see. So yeah, okay. Let's talk about performance and stuff. Sorry,
Uh-huh.
digress again.
Before going on to performance, what's the price? Because a lot of people are worrying about, but they haven't revealed anything.
I'm estimating it should be around 30,000 in India at least. Around 30,000.
No, that is so wrong. It's gonna be
क्या बोल
near
रहा है?
50.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
हाँ.
What did the PS4 launch at?
It launched at
40?
40 के
It
around.
launched at
But
30
नहीं
ना?
नहीं. So इसका starting price is 599 euros or something, which translates to around 50k.
$500.
599 euros. Sorry,
How
599.
much is that in dollars?
599 euro to dollars.
I'm assuming both of the consoles to be around
$674. That is.
Oh, I'm
So-
assuming both of them to be around.
So this is nothing
$500.
off. Yeah, I mean a price of 30-40k is good for console, but 50k thoda you're just pushing the limit at this point.
50K
ऐसा.
थोड़ा सा होता हो. थोड़ा सा
Right.
होता हो.
But let's see, the pricing isn't announced abhi tak, so these are
This is
speculations.
also
as
very
well.
annoying.
Kya?
Why do you think they did not launch the prices at like the launch?
Something tells me the PS4, PS5 and Xbox ka naya wala are gonna be priced similar, but it's gonna be ऐसा around 50k के around. So
अरे यार.
and it's gonna be ऐसा बड़ा सा ये कि oh my god why is this costing so much ऐसा. So they are just avoiding
Yeah.
that oh my god for now because everyone is
Yeah.
coronavirus
They
and
want
stuff.
to थोड़ा सा
This-
they want to build.
no
the
one's
hype.
हाँ नहीं build the hype नहीं, no one's getting paid, so 50k is a big amount, and yes sir, so they are just
Makes
avoiding
sense.
any bad PR at
Makes
this
sense.
point ऐसा. That is what I think, and both of them are
It
doing
makes
it.
a lot of sense.
Both of them
Makes a lot
have
of
been
sense, yeah.
revealed their prices. क्योंकि अगर एक का भी दूसरे से कम होता ना कि ऐसा drastically like ऐसा 5-10k का difference, so they would have just announced it ऐसा, and because दूसरा वाला announce नहीं कर रहा, so they're like okay इससे तो ज़्यादा ही होगा because they are not announcing it or some, they're just
That's
playing
it.
ऐसा at this point they're just playing ऐसा corporate games ऐसा एक दूसरे के
हाँ,
साथ.
corporate games खेल रहे हैं.
So,
It's a ton of, and the thing is, even if it costs 50k, I wouldn't be too surprised because apparently the new consoles, both the consoles can what do you call it? Output 4K footage at 120 frames per second.
That is nice, but
That is
but
absolute
again coming to that
banger.
point, if you play on a TV it doesn't matter again. I have a
You need
4K
to have a
TV,
nice-
it just does 30 or something, right? I don't know,
Yeah,
Sony
60,
Bravia ka.
60.
Does it do 60? I don't know if it does 60, my TV.
Bro, all TVs do 60. All screens today are standard 60.
Okay, standard.
उसके नीचे नहीं.
हाँ, okay, the
Sorry.
output from the data scale or something would be 30.
हाँ,
That's why,
minimum.
हाँ.
अच्छा, हाँ, fine. हाँ, that makes sense. That is fine. वो चलेगा.
So I'm really
But,
excited
yeah.
for this console. Like I wanna buy a console. I don't know. I don't play on my PC anyway, so it's just that
Same. I
buying
don't do a lot
something
of
that
gaming.
expensive. I haven't done gaming in a while. That is because
Same.
games have gotten boring. पहले से मतलब GTA 5 I played GTA 5
Yeah.
and उसके बाद I haven't played ऐसा story वाला game for quite a long time. It's
Yeah.
just Fortnite and yes, a survival games अभी तो.
That's right.
So yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Maybe I don't know. We'll see.
Literally, the PS5 and the Xbox have the same CPU, the same GPU. They are literally the same GPU.
So the only thing
same
different
CPU.
is the company and the games.
Yeah, exactly. The company, the games. Apparently, the Xbox is supposed to, on paper, it performs slightly better than the PS4, PS5. Slightly better on paper. I don't know how that will translate to like the games. It also depends how well the games are optimized.
Yeah.
Whether the games
And
support
PS5 has that
120
new
frames.
SSD, right?
Yeah, it has a new. Both of them have custom SSDs, NVMe.
But that made a real big noise because I watched that Linus Tech Tips
It did,
video,
it did.
and
It did.
it will literally change the way games are made because फिलहाल developers have to work with limited RAM now, so the world
Right.
around them they can only render to few ऐसा I guess
समझा
whatever
मैं.
the distance unit is games के terms में.
समझा मैं.
And so they had to predict कि ये कहाँ जाएगा and then fetch the shaders and textures वगैरह SSD से. But
समझा.
that SSD is so good that they can just
समझा
create the
मैं.
world
In
ऐसे
real
SSD से
time.
लेके हाँ वैसे instead
समझा मैं.
of
That's nice.
saving
That's
it in
cool.
cache.
Instead of on
Yeah.
Right.
So so it's gonna literally change the way games are made. ऐसे. It's gonna make history.
That's nice.
So
That's
that's
I heard a lot about the memory on both the devices. We will see how that goes. Lots of speculations are being made. For some reason, the memory is like what do you call it? Eating up a lot of attention. बहुत सारा attention दोनों के SSDs.
हाँ exactly.
But then again, I don't blame them, right? You don't care about the CPU that much. Although it's an 8-core 4 gigahertz very high-end CPU, you don't care. You care more about the graphical performance and the speed of the memory because it affects graphical performance directly. And both are gonna have 16 GBs of RAM, more than enough to run.
These are
any game
beefed
together.
up specs ऐसा for even
These are
अभी के
quite
times
beefed
ऐसा.
up. Quite
Yeah.
beefed up stuff. Quite beefed up specs.
These will go for a long time, in my opinion.
Long time, 100%. Also,
And it's-
4K, 120 FPS. I think that's probably
But
the
the
biggest.
major selling point for consoles is you don't have to think about it. It just works as a like
Right,
PC में
right.
you'll have to think about will my PC run this and
Right.
yeah.
Right.
But इधर ऐसा everything is optimized for you. Just play the game. So
But
if
then again, you pay for it, right? You pay heavily for it.
you pay
Every time
heavily.
you buy a game, you pay a lot for it.
Yeah, exactly. They cost like 4 or 5K, right? Each game के लिए.
Easily.
That's
Easily. AAA titles easily 4-5K at launch.
But then
The cheapest I saw, the cheapest I saw a game was my friend buying the 2018 God of War for $2,000.
हाँ.
was very cheap.
Wow.
Very cheap.
Yeah.
For
But
PS4.
नहीं. So I guess we call it cheap because we don't know the amount of work that is being put into it. For us, it is
Exactly.
still expensive. I get it. 5K is
Ah,
expensive, but those people have dedicated years to just make that game ऐसा. And
Right.
building a game is a काफी
Very
big task. It's
Big task.
very
A
hard.
Huge task. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. You
And the
won't
gaming
believe-
industry is not that great at treating their
It's
employees.
not.
ऐसा.
It's really not.
It's terrible
Yeah, I
working
saw.
condition
I think
वगैरह
it
में.
was in one of the
Hassan Minaj का ना.
Hassan Minaj
Ah,
episodes.
exactly.
Oh, dude,
Yeah.
that episode was so good.
It is so messed up कि Hassan Minaj had to do an episode on it ऐसा.
Exactly. The gaming industry is so messed up. Hassan Minaj did an episode on it. That should be a joke.
हाँ, we should
Oh my
just
God.
make this a template ऐसा. It is so bad कि Hassan Minaj has to make an episode on it.
Exactly.
Oh
Give
god.
me a joke idea. Thanks, buddy. Oh my god. Yeah, so the gaming industry is really messed up. So the fact that you're playing these games which are especially made for this particular console is a big deal. Right?
Yeah.
So PS5, like, there's a new Spider-Man game coming.
Oh, it
No God
looks
of
so
War.
nice.
It looks so.
Oh, and everything in that stream was rendered on the PS5 ऐसा.
On the
And
PS5,
so
yeah.
it looked nice. Some of games are blah, but
that is
some of
because,
them are really nice.
Does Xbox? So I know that the PS5 has ray tracing. I don't know about the Xbox. That's why it looks so
You know,
good. It has ray tracing.
Oh, acha, Xbox recently got caught for something. They pulled a game down because game or some trailer down because they said it was shot on it was running on an Xbox, but it was actually running on a PC with the 2080 Ti. It's something like that happened. I'm not sure. I'll have to look into it or something, but something like that. And so इधर हर गेम के पहले and ऐसा हर कॉर्नर में they had this ऐसा written अच्छे से कि this is being played ये क्या बोलते हैं in real time on a PS5 ऐसा.
PS5.
So that's nice. That's nice. Graphics gonna get so much better. I don't know.
That's right.
We might start playing games, man. Like,
Probably.
what do
I
you
don't
do
know.
for?
I think it's gonna.
What do you do for ऐसा leisure time pass करने के लिए? हाँ.
I read. I'm reading reading this right now. It's almost
अच्छा,
over.
oh,
And
so
it's
you
got-
like reading? I like watching movies.
I,
ऐसा.
I really like reading. And I binge a lot of YouTube. I binge a lot of YouTube.
YouTube is more ऐसा workly. मतलब I learn a lot YouTube से. It comes under education ऐसा.
That's
So
nice.
नहीं just ऐसा pure entertainment की you're gaining nothing
Pure
out of it.
entertainment
No.
movies or TV shows.
Movies, right?
And that I do very less. I do very less because
Exactly.
मेरे like YouTube takes a lot of my entertainment. Like
अच्छा,
काफी
oh.
मेरा casual daily entertainment मेरा YouTube पे ही होता है.
Oh, no, I haven't. YouTube is strictly tech and Logan Paul, I guess. हाँ. तो
इसका मेरे पास थर्ड बुक नहीं पाई तो इसका थर्ड बुक मेरी फ्रेंड के पास है जो मैंने क्वारंटाइन से पहले लेना भूल गया सो
Oh.
इसको एंड ऑन क्लिफ हैंगर
what? You just take it back
Yeah.
from her.
I forgot to like she was reading the series before I started
हाँ.
and the third part उसके पास ही रह गया.
Eesh, that sucks. Anyway, I think it's gonna end it on a cliffhanger for a long time actually, right? Because the lockdown is getting extended anyway. That sucks. Anyway, I have this thing where I force myself to watch a movie or something as a fun on a Sunday, just to
That's
keep
nice.
the
That's
week
really
as a nice.
That's
So,
nice.
yeah.
I've lost track of today Sunday, right?
Today's Sunday.
I think I will chill today.
Yeah, I
Nothing
guess.
particular.
It was a crazy week, at least for me.
It was a good week. It was a pretty good 2 weeks for me at least. Decent. What else? Yeah,
done it.
PS5 was coming out. Both have same CPU, same GPU, same price, different games and different controllers, different fan base, different.
Oh, the PS5 controller looks so good. ये बताने ही भूल गए. Oh god, how I have to say that.
It looks like it reminds me of us. What are
Spaceship.
It reminds me of no Star Wars के कौन है वो सूट
Stormtroopers.
Stormtroopers. They call it
हाँ, हाँ.
Stormtroopers.
I don't know Star
I was
Wars. So.
most probably it is Stormtroopers, but I got confused. Yeah, Stormtroopers.
Uh-huh.
It reminds me of a white Stormtrooper.
The consoles
Very
look
good.
really good.
Really good.
Xbox the controller has changed or it's the same thing?
Same. It's the same.
Ah, shit. Anyway,
It's the same
The
since day
PS5,
one.
PS5 looks and feel. It's gonna feel nice, sir.
It's gonna
It's like
feel
something
really-
for the future, huh, sir.
That's right. It's. I think it's gonna be a while before I play any game, before I buy any console, because I feel ki if I start playing games, I'm gonna spend all my time playing games.
Oh,
Because
exactly. That is the
I-
problem.
that's how
That
much
is why I
I
stopped
really
watching
like
TV
games.
shows because they are
No,
made to
हाँ.
be as a cliffhanger ke ending
Binged.
and as a
हाँ.
good starting as such. So you just keep watching them and I'll not work and I keep.
Right. That is my problem with the games. I get really into them.
हाँ,
With
exactly.
TV shows, not as much.
No,
But,
I
oh shit,
get into
once I
TV
start
shows
playing
काफी
games-
ज़्यादा.
That's nice. That's good.
Sure,
Games are really
end
good
this.
these days at keeping you occupied. Yeah, we're gonna end this. At the end of this podcast, I just want to tell you that I also have a separate YouTube channel. It's called Antique Boy. This guy's going to say, yeah, it's
Oh,
called Antique Boy,
God.
and I do other stuff there. I do a very casual, chill podcast. It's a non-tech podcast. I also released a video today. Watch it. It's news comedy.
This is
And
gonna
Adrian's
release 1
already
week
seen
बाद तो you'll have to release the video एक week पहले.
चलेगा जाके देखो एंटीक बॉय नीचे लिंक है ये लिंक
I'm just gonna
नीचे लिंक
put ऐसा follow me at ऐसा
Card.
Logan Paul ऐसा तेरे नहीं तेरे आवाज के ऊपर ऐसा.
साले you did that once
I
on the
did
story
that in the story.
साला Okay, cool. So that's been episode 3 of what do you call it?
Yeah, we
The
had a chill
Unengineered
episode.
podcast.
Normally we are hyped up, but we are both tired. So, but yeah, you're gonna have to deal
Yeah, I
with
slept.
this.
I slept less last night. I'm sorry. About
I
that.
slept
But
very
yeah.
less. Man. I played games actually कल रात को पूरा time. I played Valorant with my friends रात को 4 बजे तक.
Oh, on your Mac? It
नहीं
runs?
पागल है क्या? नहीं है PC के लिए.
I think you should try. You should try playing Valorant. I'm pretty sure it'll work better than on your PC.
Oh नहीं,
Sure.
I'll have to boot camp and stuff इधर, so it's gonna take a lot of storage. It is not on Mac, I
Really?
guess. नहीं, it is not on
Really?
Mac.
Oh.
I'll have to boot camp it to Windows वैसे.
I'm sure. I think I'm pretty sure Tomb Raider
You
is
wanna
on
play
Mac.
Valorant अभी? Okay, so we'll do the outro and we'll discuss this.
Yes.
Okay, so guys, follow me on Life of Advait Instagram के लिए and text us if you like the podcast. We love getting the feedback, and if you have an episode, do tell us, sir. We'll do anything you like. It is not just tech. We'll cover college life stuff,
Yeah,
anything you
exactly,
want. If
exactly.
we are smart
have
people,
something
we
you
can
want
learn
us to
anything.
Talk about. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. You want something. You want anything. Suggest topics. Suggest topics. We'll talk.
Such
we love
stuff.
talking.
If you don't like us,
Okay.
do text us that too. We'll block you.
Chalo, ठीक है. We'll see you next week,
Hey,
guys.
yeah.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye-bye.
You guys are awesome. If you watched it to the end, bye bye.
Bye bye.
I'll see. That was awkward.